Welcome to the English Language and Literature YouTube channel. Do you know that feeling when you're reading something and suddenly a word pops up that you don't understand? Today I am reading you the text filled with beautiful nature words. Let's explore 5 of them together. In the heart of the forest, beneath the wide-green canopy, wild flowers bloom freely. A canopy is the leafy roof made by trees, soft, dappled with light, and full of rustling secrets. She wandered into the meadow, where golden grass danced in the wind and bees hummed lullabies. A meadow is a peaceful open field with wildflowers. It's like a daydream you can walk through barefoot. The birch trees stood pale and quiet, like ghosts wrapped in silver bark. Birch trees have smooth, pale bark that often looks white or silver. Their quiet beauty makes them feel calm and strong. Between the stones, soft ferns curled like green feathers in the shade. Ferns are ancient forest plants, delicate, quiet, and always reaching toward the light. The robin perched on the windowsill, singing the very first song of spring. Robins are little red-chested birds, full of life and the promise of a new day. Thanks for watching. Nature has 1,000 voices. Which word spoke to you the most today? Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Bye!